Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2950 series. What I want to do is to show you ways to print documents with mobile phone with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via a wireless network. And to do this, you need to go to the settings, select OK, then scroll down, go to networks, select OK to network. Then you need to select Wi-Fi setup. Once you select Wi-Fi setup, it will look for Wi-Fi network within the environment. Then you need to select on the network, then put a password. And after that, it will show you that the printer is connected to the network. To add it to your phone, you need to go to Play Store, then install Epson Smart Panel. This is Epson Smart Panel. Once you install Epson Smart Panel, you need to select Plus. It's going to search for available printer. It will show you set up a new printer or connect a printer already on the network. Then you select connect printer already on the Wi-Fi network. So it will look for the printer that is connected. And this is the printer. Then you select on the printer. It will show you connection is complete. Then you select OK. Now, to print document, there are two ways to print document. The first method to print document, go to My Files on your mobile phone, select My Files, then select Documents, then scroll down to select specific documents you want to print out. Select on the document, then you wait for the document to open. Select just once. So this is the document we want to print out, 2-page document. Gently tap on the screen, then select 3 dots on top. Select Print. It will show you this app. Scroll down and look for the printer, Epson ET-2950 series. Select on it. Then it will show you a yellow printer icon. Scroll down, select number of copies, and also select the color. Two-sided printing, select two-sided printing, long edge. You can also select one-sided, and also color. Scroll down, you can select black and white or color. Color is selected. The size of the paper, A4, plain paper, orientation, portrait, pages. We want to print all. Then select Print. Select OK. So the document is printing. This is the document we printed out, two-sided in color. Another method to print document, we're going to use Epson Smart Panel. So Play Store, then type Epson Smart Panel. So this is Epson Smart Panel. Select Print. Then select Document Print. Then it will show you documents available on your phone. The next thing to do is you need to select specific document you want to print out. Select on the document. This is 2-page document. Then select Print Settings. Select number of copies, 1 to 2. Select the paper as A4, plain paper, layout, borders, print quality. You can select high or standard. Standard is selected. I want us to print this black and white. Two-sided. I want us to print it one-sided. Then you select number of copies. Select Done. Then select Print. So we're going to print this document, single page, black and white. These are documents we printed out from mobile phone with this printer, black and white. Printed this one in color, two-sided. So this is how to print documents from mobile phone with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.